daily speculators. Pretty much gonna be giving y'all a rundown on I'm sorry, not IWM. I did play it, made 50%, but that's not the play for today. It's gonna be NIO. It's no service, so it's kind of doo doo. But I did chart it so where you guys can see things, and I made some notes, so we'll get into it. We'll start off with the daily. Here's the daily. You can clearly see it's bouncing off of a support zone. We're gonna call this a double bottom. If there was a line here, create a double bottom here. All right, boom. Now we can see that's good momentum. So we got momentum that's pushing upward. Let's keep that momentum. All right, we break it down to what's happening actually in the end today. So we see yesterday we couldn't get above this level. That's why I wrote a line here. That's a line that we considered resistance for yesterday. Here's a line where we consider support. All right, so now let's get closer into the day as we move to Monday today. We gapped up. It's a small gap up, but we closed here and we started here. So we clearly gapped up, which is a good sign. You see red, but don't worry about it. That's like 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning. Nobody cares about that. 4 o'clock in the morning, actually. Anyways, we scrolling all the way up throughout the entire day. No real market movers. Oh, wow. No real market movers, so don't really worry about it. Anyways, see a nice green bar. We're like, ooh. That green bar came right off of this beginning where we couldn't go under for pre-market. So good signs as well. So I'm like, okay, cool. It's coming close to 9 o'clock. Guess what happens? I got some notes for y'all. So it's the pre-market support bounce. You see it right here. This happened the first minute the the first minute everything opened. First 5 minutes. I don't know. It's a 5-minute chart. Oh man. Anyways, that happened the first 5 minutes. I don't trade the first 10 minutes of the market. It gets a little walky, so I missed out on this. But that could have been a good entry for you. But the first 5 minutes is too volatile. If you're a beginner, you don't even want to play that. That's real dangerous. I'm not gonna lie to you. But these are signals that you need to pay attention to. So when your time comes, do execute correctly. All right. So this right here confirms pre-market highs are now support. You can see, boom, we're not going under. And this is the point where it's support. So now this is our new support. This is another support. All right, cool. We're looking good. We got 2 levels of support that we're breaking past, and we can't even get under. So this is respectable right now. See a huge green bar, 5 minutes. So 15 minutes into the day, 20 minutes into the day, 25 minutes into the day. All right, this is where I took action. Because this, I see, it's not a pullback, but it's a consolidation with some nice green bars. So I'm thinking either we're going to pull back here, and then we're going to run it all the way up, or we're just going to hold this area, we're going to run it all up. So this is my starter position. Okay, the starter position right here, I seen the doji candles indecisive. I seen another doji still indecisive. So I'm thinking you're indecisive, but we're already up so much. If the bears wanted to be in control, they would use the opportunity right here. They didn't use that opportunity. So in my mindset, I'm thinking once we get past this mark right here, let's go a little closer. See this red candle? Once we get past this doji mark, that's when I'm going to enter. And that's exactly what I did. I entered here. Boom. Made a stop loss at the end of this doji because I know they're going to wick you out sometimes. So keep it as low as you can. This should just stop. All right. That's a little strategy, but I don't implement everything of the strat when I trade, but I do implement some of it. But anyways, moving forward. Boom. It's a nice 5-minute bar. Nice 5-minute bar. I didn't take any profits. Nice 5-minute bar. Boom. Boom. This is when I started to take profits. Once you see 2 doji bars after some nice run-ups, but I don't really consider this a run-up. This is just a setup. Because NIO, if you know about the Chinese stocks, the momentum they give once they start to run, it's kind of crazy. If you don't believe me, just look at Alibaba the past month. Phew, crazy. But anyways, this is when I decided, okay, I'm already up 300% on this option play. I got to figure this out. I got to get out this play. Anyways, boom. With a stop limit here. Wait, no. I think I did a stop limit here, yeah. Once this doji formed, I did a stop limit here. Got stopped out. Boom. That was the end of the play. Honestly, there's not much I can say about it because I'm done. But looking at the rest of the day, I feel as if NIO still has some potential. It's consolidating in this range, this is our new support zone. So if I had to predict for Tuesday, which I don't want to give anybody no idea, like, oh, I'm saying this is what's going to happen Tuesday. This is my prediction based off of what I see off this chart right here. I personally think we got some ways to pull back. I mean, earnings and everything is coming up. Tesla's gonna play a big part. Microsoft play a big part. NIO, I'm honestly playing because it's a part of the Tesla family. I mean, it's obviously not directly correlated, but it's in the EV family. So if Tesla do good, I'm looking for sympathy on NIO, and that's going to drive this price a little bit higher as well. But if Tesla goes down, I'm be real, NIO don't have any reason to be going up. So expect for this to go down. I mean, the fact that it's part of a China stocks and China stocks are all beat down, that's probably like the only real momentum I think that's going to give it like some push ahead. But I honestly think Tesla's going to control the markets coming up. So if Tesla does bad and goes to 120 again, NIO, good luck, man. But yeah, I pretty much sold out all those. I don't have any more running. Anyways, that was that. Link in the description below for the Discord. You can come join us 9:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. It really differs, but I'm pretty sure we'll be on 9 o'clock in the morning, live trading. Anyways, I'm out. DVD.